Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Trendline that's been converted into a 4-berth swamper campervan. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle comes finished in the deep black pearlescent paint colour and features a Sportline front lower bumper / splitter. Down below we have the Wolf Race Overland off-road alloy wheels in a black colour, and the vehicle features a pop-off roof with a bed. Towards the rear of the vehicle there are the rear loading barn doors. Behind these we'll find a few different storage options. Over on the right we have a storage for our gas bottle as well as a set of shelves above this. Joining me in the back of the camper, the rear passenger bench features a full leather retrim in a titanium black with some white contrast. The camper features everything that you might need on your camping trip away, including a range of Dometic appliances, including a Dometic fridge, built-in oven, 2-top burner, as well as an electric sink. There's also a table which can be folded away to provide more space when seated. To the rear there are also a few more 3-pin and USB charging points. Up front in the driver's cab we have some more of that lovely full leather retrimmed with some white contrasting edges. The vehicle also features a twin-seated passenger bench and plenty of leg space up front for the passengers as well as the driver. In the centre of the dash there is an Aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen system, and below this are the climate controls for the vehicle. This camper does come with climatic air conditioning, and just beneath this there is a 12-volt outlet which is useful for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go.
For any further information on this vehicle, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.